So this is study recap number 3. This morning we had programming. We learned about files and zip code, like zip files. So basically, files, how to organize it, how to use it, what their formats are, what is metadata, what is it called again? Properties. Yeah, properties. There's like name, there's the date that is open, there is also the modified date, and all sort of like informations, what their names are. It's just very, very basic stuff about files. And then that's all we did actually, zip files and folders. So then calculus, we just did another class of review, half actual stuff. So review of trig functions, grouping and factoring, and then basic functions and some radical functions, exceptions, rules to know. And then we also did, that's all we did in calculus, yeah. And then English, poems, we read about 2-3 poems, and then discussion, some vocabularies that we didn't know, like literacy vocabularies, and that Shakespeare was using a type of meter called icamic pentameter. I have to search it up again if it's icamic or iconic, I forgot. So it's basically 5 beats of soft and high accents, and yeah, so 5 beats. Each beat is like twice. Two syllables. So 5 beats of 2 syllables each. And I'm not sure if it means 5 lines or it means 5 beats, because like it was kind of confusing. I'll search that up on my own, what a pentameter is, if a pentameter means 5 lines or 5 syllables. And then lastly, I had mechanics. We just did gravity about g m1 m2 divided by distance to 2, but then like a bit more sophisticated explanation, like detailed explanation. And then we also looked at the difference between velocity and speed. So speed is the distance that's been covered in a lapse of time, and velocity is the displacement, so delta x over time. It's not the same thing.